Alright guys, so I gotta leave for a photo shoot in 5 minutes, so we're gonna make this real quick. But I'm gonna be showing you guys how to replace the zoom ring on your Tamron 2875. But this should work on any other lens. And as you can see, this is like my most used lens for like shooting fashion, so this lens is not doing well. As you can see, the focus ring started coming off, and while I'm shooting it, like sometimes even drags down, and then like I can't move the zoom ring, so this thing needs to be replaced. As you can see, and this is actually really easy to do. You just need to buy yourself one of these from eBay. As you can see, focus rugs, come on, zoom on, it's right here. You can see that this is a replacement zoom ring for the Tamron. Make sure you get the right one though, because I bought the wrong. There's another version of the Tamron 2075 that I didn't know existed. So I got that one instead first, and these things take like a month to ship from China, so it wasn't a fun wait, but let's fix this up. So first thing we're gonna do is, and also you can do this with any camera lens pretty much, so it's not just for the Tamron, but this is the lens that I have a problem with, so that's the one I'm showing you guys. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab this, and we're just gonna pretty much just pull it out, just stretch it out. And you wanna go from you gotta pull it from the bottom, because that's the skinniest part of the lens. And boom, there we go. It's off now, and you can pretty much just throw this out. But that's what it looks like. The interesting thing is that I didn't realize about lenses is that like it's on here just by friction. Like there's no glue on here or anything. So that's crazy. So we're gonna take our new one now, stick it out of the back, and as you can see, like compare to the old one, you know, it's here, let's put it side by side. Yeah, it's a tiny bit smaller, which meaning that it's gonna be on there nice and tight. And this happens just from, you know, using your lens a lot, you know, since this is the lens that I use the most, it happens. But also I think it also happens from like heat also, since this is just made out of rubber. I think just from like extreme heat, like in New York, it's been like a really hot summer, so I guess just from that also, shooting outside, it might have melted also. So we're just gonna drag it from the bottom, trying to grab the corners and pinch it down. And here we go. Now we're just gonna pretty much get on there now. Now we're just gonna move this around till it like is perfectly sitting on it. Right here. This part needs to be pushed up. And boom. Just push these down a little bit, and boom. It's on there perfectly now. And right there, you see we got a perfect zoom reading now. As good as new. So I gotta go now before I'm extremely late. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope this was useful to you if you also have problems with your Tamron lens. But here we go. We got a perfect ring now that will hopefully last another 3 years. So goodbye guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.